The purpose of teaching Buddhism is to teach us to see our nature clearly. Why is this the purpose? After seeing one's nature clearly, all problems are naturally resolved. And this thing is decidedly possible, decidedly achievable. Why so sure? Because everyone has a true nature, which does not come from outside. What comes from outside may not be able to do it. Why can't it be done with the inherent nature? The problem is, as long as we can restore ourself, in fact, the self-nature does not need to be restored. Today, there is an obstacle in our morality. As long as this obstacle is removed, the morality will naturally appear. It is said that when the clouds and mists are cleared, the sun will shine everywhere. Sunshine is a metaphor for our morality, and clouds are metaphors for obstacles. Obstacles are false, but sunshine is real. Without delusion, the truth will appear. So there is no need to seek for the true nature. If you seek it, it will be false. And there is no need to seek it, since the delusion is true. The Buddha told us that there are 3 virtues in the self-nature. The Dharmakaya is our true body, neither born nor destroyed, neither coming nor going, neither dirty nor clean. The so-called original face of our parents before birth, in Zen Buddhism, is this thing. It is a pity that since beginningless time, our thought, delusions and attachments have obstructed the light and virtue of our own nature. And now, we have suffered a great loss in this role. "100% of the effect, what we can feel now, is less than 1%. And 99% of the virtue and function cannot be seen. You say this is not a pity. Why is there this phenomenon? If you get lost, you don't know that. You have immeasurable wisdom and virtue. You get lost for too long, too deep, and too wide. When the Buddha sees us, he feels compassion and helps us to awaken and recover. This requires practice. Because of cultivating 10,000 actions, one can achieve 10,000 virtues. The methods of practice are also limitless. Among the immeasurable and boundless methods, there are convenient methods and inconvenient methods. As the Buddha said, therefore, the Buddha expounded countless Dharma doors for all living beings. In the Four Great Vows, the so-called immeasurable Dharma doors vow to learn. Why did the Buddha speak of boundless Dharma doors? The root nature of all living beings is different. And the root nature of all living beings is also immeasurable and boundless. If you teach according to the nature of all beings, it will be easy to achieve success in learning. If you don't follow the nature of all beings, it will be difficult for them to practice. And among all the methods, the most convenient, the most secure, and the most easy is the method of reciting the Buddha's name. And the most easy is the method of reciting the Buddha's name. In this sutra, the Buddha taught us to chant the Buddha's name and to call his name with sincerity. It is the same principle and one thing as arouse the mind of Bodhisattva and always concentrate on reciting. In the Infinite Life Sutra, if we cannot accept this method and doubt it, the Buddha will give you other convenient methods. This is really the first method for Buddhists.